Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make red grape sorbet updated. Start by washing and destemming 2 pounds of grapes, then simmer them gently until juices run. Strain the cooked grapes, return the juice to the pan, add 3/4 cup sugar and a squeeze of lemon, heat briefly to dissolve, chill completely, and freeze in an ice cream maker or shallow pan, stirring until firm. I like to focus on texture and balance when making sorbet. Use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten 2 pounds of grapes and 3/4 cup sugar to keep it scoopable. For silkier texture, add 1 tablespoon neutral spirit like vodka or 1 teaspoon corn syrup, then churn until soft peak stage. Freeze in airtight container and let soften 5 minutes before serving for the best spoonable texture and enjoy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: if your car smells while you drive sorbet home, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride. It pairs humorously with summer treats. I saw this product in my car and thought of you. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting small channels. Now let's get back to the video. Red grape sorbet pairs well with herbs and cheeses, so experiment with basil or mint and serve alongside mild goat cheese. If grapes are very sweet, reduce sugar to 1/2 cup or add a splash of lemon to balance sweetness. To store, press plastic film directly on surface, seal container, and freeze. Sorbet keeps best for up to 2 weeks but is freshest within 3 to 5 days for peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.